What is going on, YouTube? Today's a good day. It is finally happening. We've been without a sign for a couple months now, and the guys are out there putting it up there. Finally, we're getting a new sign. Yeah, what the hell? New sign? A new sign. It's about time, because you know we haven't had a sign out there, and sometimes customers are like, I can't find you guys, and we're like, oh, you know what? Let me go outside and meet you so you know where we're at. But thankfully, that is happening. It should be done, I want to say like around noon today. So we're pretty excited about that. Wait, what? I just realized. Why do we have two graphics cards on the test bench? I know this is a 570 and this is Surreal's 580. I don't even know why we did that, but gotta ask Surreal about that one. Anyways, so this whole coronavirus situation is serious. So had a meeting with store managers and everything. For the most part, we're gonna be here throughout the month of March. We're gonna be doing things by appointment now to, you know, try to stop the gathering of everyone at the same time. I don't know how that's going to affect us posting videos, but hopefully we can still create some content for you guys. But in the meantime, I'm working on this iMac here. So it turns on, but there's no backlit. You see, you can barely see the Apple logo. Yeah, so I gotta figure out what's causing that issue. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're getting a sign. Coronavirus is real. Our county actually put a shelter in place along with the Bay Area. So we're gonna see how that plays out. It's gonna be until April 7th. That's gonna be active. So yeah, if anything else interesting happens during the day, I'll make sure to record it. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys when the sign is completely put up and everything. But yeah, Surreal should be here soon. He's picking up some parts from Santa Cruz. Oh, by the way, that food that we ordered from Foodsmiths, the one that I was saying that looked kind of like it was fucking delicious. Like, man, I gotta try the other dishes too, man. But I had the I think it was called chicken nachos or something like that, and then the other one was turkey meatloaf. Great. They may not look as appetizing as I would like, but they were really good. Anyways, let's see what happens during the rest of the day. All right, so Surreal got some packages. I'm guessing computer stuff, so we're about to open this. Let's take a look. What the hell you got in here?
I got some pot.
What?
Bought a lid.
What? I thought this was gonna be computer stuff.
Nah, I have all sorts of interests. Ceiling rings. Oh, here's the big one. Oh, stainless steel.
So we're doing unboxings for pots and pans now. Ooh, getting a call. Ooh, restricted. Love it. Let's see who it is. Yes. How can I help you? Oh no, you actually called my personal number, but I can put Surreal on the phone if you want.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still waiting on the phone to
Pots
arrive.
and pans.
It should be arriving today, but
I don't know. I thought it was gonna be computer parts, and even that, I think you ordered the wrong one. Wait, you got the wrong one?
Yeah, I bought the wrong one. I think I have the 8 quart.
Yeah.
And this is a 6 quart. And
which one were you gonna get?
8 quart. The one I have at home is like that much taller.
Why? Surreal single man, so he cooks most of his meals. I'm not saying that just because I'm married. I don't understand this whole pots and pans type of thing. And I'm not saying women do, alright? I'm just saying. Surreal, nah, you gotta return it. Alright, well, okay, is there at least computer shit on the other box?
I don't know about that one, actually.
What, do you think they were gonna send you the pot and the fucking lid separately, or what?
Oh, yeah. They sent me another pot, but it's also too small.
Really?
Is this actually? I'll just bring it home and see if it fits.
I'm sorry. This was a disappointment. Sorry for wasting our time with pots and pans when it was supposed to be MOBO, GPU, RAM. I mean, we already got the freaking CPU right there. I don't know what this dude's waiting on. So today, I am having the, how do you pronounce this again?
Biryani.
The Paleo chicken.
Biryani.
There you go. So we'll see how that tastes. He is currently heating up. Which one are you eating?
I'm eating the St. Augustine Empanada Bowl.
Which my only beef with that is that it doesn't look like an empanada at all. I know. That was fucking jokes, real. Come on, get
I'm learning today.
with it. That doesn't look okay. It smells delicious, but it does not look like fucking empanada bowl. All right, how is it? How is it? Here we go.
It needs a shell.
What? Right?
Yeah.
I mean, get me a healthy shell, man. You can't call it an empanada if it's not wrapped in something.
It's keto.
I swear to God, sometimes, man. Sometimes.
Keto is not conducive for me, man. Rice is life.
All right. Anyways, let's see. How do you feel? How do you think us Mexican feels, bro? Rice and beans, bro. That's our thing.
Pretty much screwed.
All right, let's go ahead and put this in there. Remember, giving away that desktop that I have outside. So go ahead. As soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll go ahead and start that giveaway. All right, guys. So the guys finished installing the sign, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let's see. Oh,
we spelled it wrong. No, I'm just kidding.
I know, right? Why did I have a feeling it was gonna be bigger? Maybe I'm tripping.
More to the left, to be honest.
I know, right? I guess they put it centered to the shop. But anyways, here it is, guys. Well, that's good. That looks good. All right, looks good. Finally, we're gonna have a sign, and we're not gonna have to tell people like, the place with the 2 doors open, or we'll wait outside for you. But I guess that's it for today. Yeah, this whole shelter in place thing, don't know how that's gonna go. But in the meantime, we'll be here repairing computers that need to be repaired, and we'll see how it goes. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. All right, deuce.